Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. For those that don't know, I'm an online marketer. I've been online since 2015. I had my breakthrough the end of 2016, earning a full-time income from home. I now work from my office here, and I take care of my two children full-time, get to do the things that I love to do because I've been able to find a great opportunity that's newbie friendly. No, I'm not a marketing guru. I didn't just start earning money out of the blue. I actually learned how to run traffic, generate leads, and signups on a consistent basis. And I'm teaching others how to do the same. So what I'm going to do first is show you proof. And then I'm going to show you the system that I'm using to earn and generate thousands of dollars. So for those that don't know, the program that I'm with is called Power Lead System. And yes, they've been paying me out commissions every single week since I've started September of last year. Yes, it only took a short period of time to start earning a full-time income. I currently have $13.57 that I got paid this week from my online business, and it's growing every single day. We have 4 levels that you can come in at, the goal being the lowest level, which is a $53 monthly payment. It allows you to get $20 residual commissions. You have the diamond level, which is a one-time payment of $147. It allows you to get unlimited $100 commissions. The platinum level, you pay a one-time payment of $497, and it gives you unlimited $400 commissions. And the highest level that just came out this Monday, called the Master Traffic Institute, is a one-time payment of $497, giving you unlimited $1,000 commissions. So just imagine getting one of those per week. You're already at $1,000 for the week. And that's what I love about this system. At each level, you get access to certain trainings, and each training show you how to generate leads and traffic into your business, earning you commissions unlimited. You know, you can do as many traffic strategies as you want. I prefer to use 2 that I really love that allows me to bring in a full-time income. And the Master Traffic Institute has 6-figure earners that show you how to generate leads and signups for your business on a regular basis. They have the endless free leads that shows you how to get endless free leads using Facebook social media the right way. Because a lot of people use Facebook the wrong way, and they use methods that take forever to convert, and they post in Facebook groups and spam groups. And that's not what you want to do. You want to use it the right way so that you're spending a certain amount of time on the computer that's giving you major results, okay? So just to show you what I've been able to earn with this program over the last few weeks or so, I've been able to generate thousands of dollars, you know, going back to January 7th through the 13th, 1825. These are weekly payouts: $15.60, $17.07, $2,007, $24.62, $19.35, $19.81, and if we go all the way down to March, it's April. It's continued to grow, earning me thousands and thousands of dollars online in just a short period of time. And I'm showing others how to do the same using a done-for-you system. Okay, so I had a young lady that's on my team that asked me how to make a capture page. She's looking for a capture page for Lead Lightning. And I'm going to show you right now live how easy it is to do that, okay? So what I want to do is I'm going to go in, I'm going to create a subdomain, okay? And that's how I'm going to start to create this capture page. And it's really simple, guys. If you knew how easy it was to create a funnel to run traffic to, you can do this all day and earn commissions as much as you want, okay? So we're going to call this Lead Lightning, 2 L's for Lead Lightning, and I'm going to put a 2, okay? Just so that I know, I'm going to name it Lead Lightning 2, second page for the Lead Lightning capture page. And you can name it whatever you want, okay? I'm going to create it. So I'm going to hit the create button. And it's going to tell me to go into a library of web pages, but I don't think I currently have this web page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and find the one that she's looking for. If you click on training and go into the Power VIP Club, this is where the additional capture pages are kept, and the share codes for those capture pages. So you can go in and you can pick the one that you want, put the share code in, and you'll have access to it. It's that simple, okay? So I'm going to log in. And I'm going to show you the capture page that she's looking for. We go into Power Lead System, share codes, PLS share codes, which is what we want, okay? We're gonna go in and find this page that she's looking for. And the page that she's looking for is this lead capture page that says Lead Lightning, powerful, fast, and easy profits, only $7 one-time payment, okay? So this is the share code for this page. I'm gonna take the share code, copy it, and I'm gonna paste it into my share codes section so that I can go ahead and get this capture page. So I'm gonna scroll down into the share code, and it has been added. Code has been added. So we're going to go back into websites. And we want to choose the domain, which is the one that we just created, called ll2.amandascoachingplan.com. And we know that this ends with a number 34. So I'm going to go Control F, and I'm going to find number 34 and see if I can locate this page. So I believe it's this one here. If I want to check to see if that's correct, I'm going to just click on Custom Page, and I'm going to click this green button here to see if it's the page that I'm looking for. And if it is, there it goes. This is the one that we want. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to choose this for email to capture emails for this capture page. So this is the capture page that I want. I'm going to click it. I am then going to save my choice. Save my choice again. I'm going to connect this to my autoresponder. And if you don't have an autoresponder, you could connect it directly to PLS. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna connect it to PLS, okay? And we're gonna use the 19 message series that we have about the Power Lead system. You will get that when you have access to our share code. Everyone gets this. I'm gonna submit. And then setup is complete. So now what I'm gonna do is click on this and see if it goes to where I want it to go. So Lead Lightning, powerful, fast, and easy profits. Get instant access. When we click on here, let's see, we put in an email address. We put in the bot, make sure that we're a real person. And here we go, Lead Lightning. This is the sales page for that capture page that we just created, and it's that simple. Now we have a complete sales funnel that was completed in less than 10 minutes, okay? So this is the capture page, okay, connected to our sales page that's going to be connected to our autoresponder. So now when people put in their email address, it's going to take them through a series of emails to just keep them updated about the Lead Lightning system. So it's really that simple to set up these capture pages, okay? So, you know, that's all you have to do. And once you have capture pages, you run traffic to these capture pages, and it allows you to generate commissions. And this is what it actually looks like. So here, when you have opt-ins, you're going to get these messages. A prospect just filled out your opt-in form. And I'm going to show you exactly how to generate these opt-ins, okay? When a gold member arrives, it's going to say a new gold member has arrived. When a diamond member has arrived, it's going to say a diamond member has arrived. These are $100 commissions. These are $20 commissions, okay? When you receive $400 commissions, it looks like this. A fast start bonus has just arrived, okay? And when you get NTI commissions, which is the highest level, it's going to look like this, okay? You just earn $500 or you just earn $1,000 from the NTI. These are $200 commissions that come from the efforts of your team, okay? So these are the commissions that you can earn once you are a member of the Power Lead system. And I show people exactly how to do this on a budget, how to generate traffic utilizing free traffic and paid traffic strategies. Okay, so it's really that simple. If you want more information, click on the description below. If you want to contact me, I am a real person and I can be reached. The information is in the description below. So thanks so much for watching my video. Hope you have a great weekend and get started. This is the easiest way to generate a full-time income. If I can do it, anyone can do it. So thanks again and have a great night.